potential breakout here, lads. What is up, lads? So I thought we were potentially going to break out there, but clearly not. We've obviously had a weird big jump just then, leaving a bit of a gap on London Open. So we'll see what happens. I'm a bit behind on Discord. I'll just have a quick look. Yeah, Dan's new videos, fire, I've watched that. Yeah, I really don't be gay gold and don't leave us here. I can with some weird London volume, but let me just make a quick Instagram post. Instagram story actually. Big Paul, what's up? What's going on? Got another poll in here. What's going on? Big James, what's up? Just making a quick Instagram story. Just give me 2 secs. Okay. Graph, did anyone... No, I haven't taken a trade today. No trades for me so far. All good here, mate. Yeah, I'm doing good, Paul, thanks. That's good. Big Frank, what's up? What's up, lads? Big Sham. Everyone's getting in there now. Fuck, Cody, you got a good setup, Code. You got a really good setup. Pez, what's going on? Rome, what's going on? Yeah, I've been blocked out till just now. Yeah, nice, Paul. Yeah, well, I thought we were gonna get... sorry, just give me 2 secs, Graph. Only need my 1 trade a day. Yep, that's it. Yeah, I did see that, Pez. That was a nice trade. I did think for a second this last 15 was going to break out, and it would have obviously been a 30-minute breakout as well, because it obviously showed a fair bit of volume, because we obviously had a pretty decent gap get created as London opened. I don't think NQ is doing anything. Yeah, I'm not really interested in NQ. Maybe a sell below here, but that's about it. I'm not really. Oh, could maybe look at buys above. Like we got these wicks, but even like a wick fill could maybe be alright. So we'll keep an eye out for that as well. That's obviously if this red creates that resistance anyway. Thank you. Oh yeah, for the setup. Yep. Yeah, it would have looked really good if it if it did, like especially on the 30, you can see the rejections from the downside, and then wanting to push up, but just couldn't get that last little bit. So hopefully, the signs in the free chart is crazy. Right. Nice to see some volume. Yeah, that is true. Nice to see some volume. Has been. Yeah, like it came. Yeah, even this. Yeah, we're just gonna have to wait now for some structures to be created now that we have kind of broken out of this consolidation range. So yeah, we'll just have to wait and see what happens. And there's no news today either, I don't think. Oh, there was, but nothing affecting us. Tomorrow, nothing that will really affect us. Thursday, a little bit of news Thursday, and then Friday, unemployment change. So, a bit of news Thursday, Friday, but apart from that, not much. Yeah, the connection's been a bit better today. There hasn't been any lag outs on my end so far. Knock on wood though, that is. So far so good, lads. Jinx it, yeah, I know, I was just thinking that. So yeah, gold is obviously not wanting to play nice today, so far. Obviously. You're in the stream, give it a like. Let's try and get to 15 likes on this stream. $58 subs, yeah, I know, Pez. The channel's growing relatively quick. Yeah, it's growing relatively quick for. What's my thing say? 52. I need to fix that. Road to 1 million. That's it, Cody. When I get to a million subs, I'll make me course $10,000 as well. I'm joking. I'll never make a course $10,000. Imagine someone actually charging $10,000 for a course. I can understand like a couple grand, like a few thousand, but 10,000 is like just fuck. Get a grip, cunt. Morning Spectrum, Marion? Nah, not yet. We gotta wait for our setup. Gotta wait for our strategy is what gives us our profit, so we gotta wait. People, yeah, I know, some of the prices people do charge are crazy. Stezzy, what's going on? Yeah, there probably is, like, it wouldn't fucking surprise me at all. TGR's course was 4,000 Australian. Which was a bit of a rip-off. This might be a bit of a shorter stream as well, lads. Probably I got something on at 6, or just after 6. So I might have to like close it at, yeah, just about 6 p.m. Big Steve, what's going on? Getting a few people in here. TGR's was 4,000. Tori Mama's course. I wonder how much hers is. Actually, what's her name again? Tori Trades, isn't it? Tori Trades. Let's see if she's got a price. Become a member. Let's see. Oh, you gotta apply now. Yeah, can't be fucked doing that shit. Does it say anything about how much she charges? I know, who is NJP? Oh, Tori's only like 450. Yeah, it's not. I mean, yeah, it's just because of how big he is on social media. But 4,000 Australian dollars is like £2,000, Graph. If you're thinking in like pounds. I mean, it's a fucking... I don't care what anyone says, having a course is a fucking strong... I mean, a very smart business move. Like, just think, TGR's got... How many? He's got like nearly 1 million on YouTube now. TJR. Actually, I'll just be able to check how many is in the Discord. I should be able to. Maybe. Can you check? Let me have a... No, maybe I can't. So yeah, TGR's got 700,000 subscribers. And he charged let's just go off the 5.0 mentorship that I paid for, which was 4,000 Australian dollars. He's got 700,000 people. Let's just say, I reckon probably, we'll say 1,000. We won't go too large, but we'll just say 1,000. 4,000 times 1,000, $4 million. That's $4 million fucking dollars, bro. I don't care what anyone says. It's a smart as fuck business decision to make a course. Bluey, what's going on? They charge a lot. Well, the course is too expensive. Yeah, I mean, like, when you're... this is what I think. People say courses are too expensive, blah, blah. I happily paid... Is he trading it? Yeah, TGR makes fucking bank. Like, last month he made like 150,000 US. Who was I? Course is too expensive. Yeah, so just say, so who is it? Marion. So for example, uni or wherever you're from, university, you'll pay, I don't know how much it is. Actually, let me just search it up. How much is university for a doctor? So a university can cost for a doctor 80,000 Australian per year. And I mean, I know they do a minimum 4 years. So that's fucking over over $300,000 just from university. And then you got to find a job, and then you got to fucking take years to make that back. I happily spent a few grand. I'm not going to say how much because I don't know if everyone paid different prices or whatnot for Dan's. So I paid a few grand for Dan's. I'm already making money in 4 months and being in his course, 10 months of trading. And yeah, so you pay that fucking hundreds of $1,000s for uni. What's 3,000 or 4,000 compared to that when you're learning how to do a skill on your computer? Like yesterday I made $750 in an hour's worth of work. Yes, a doctor can make up to $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 a year. But they're fucking working 50, 60, 70 hours a week. And they've spent fucking $300,000 on university. And then they got to find a job, and then they're at entry level, and then they got to work their way up the ranks. Yes, people may think, Marion, you may think a course is too expensive. In hindsight, a course is fucking cheap. A course is fucking cheap. It's a lifelong skill you're learning. And yeah, you fucking, can we go over the trade? Yep, just give me 2 secs. Super hard to be a doctor as well. Yeah, super hard to be a doctor. Like, the money in trading, you can make fucking way more than a doctor. No, doctor. Well, maybe not doctors, but like surgeons and shit. So do I buy or sell stock you having? Might take type 1 in. Oh, I wouldn't, Shem. Not at all. You got... Just give me 2 secs. Spectrum Health. So, who was it? Shem. Yeah. I wouldn't be taking this as a type 1, Shem. We have... obviously, the prior 15 candle was pretty close to resistance. And then the next one, we had that weird jump up from London Open. It's pretty overextended. It's only 15 pips, but it's gone up 32 pips. It's already filled in a fair bit of this range. It's reacted perfectly off resistance over here. Yeah, I wouldn't be taking it, Shem. I'd look for a type 2 if it bounces, yeah, something like that. Thoughts on ICT? I mean, ICT works for some people, definitely, but yeah, I couldn't wrap my head around it. 27 lads watching in here. Let's get some likes going. Get me to 20 likes. We've got 8. Let's get me to 20. Sorry, I just draw up the trade I took yesterday. Yep. Where was it? Here it is. Who was it? Spectrum Health. So yeah, we obviously with NQ we had a bit of a breakout from this support level here. Bit of a breakout. It retested it perfectly, and then it obviously did want to continue down, so we didn't enter off this green 15 candle. We obviously saw a bit of rejection coming down from obviously the wick up and then closing small body green. We had a bit of a wick up on the next red candle, and then we had an impulse sell set at the bottom of this green candle, and then we were looking for a wick fill of this wick. yeah, that's pretty much it. Marion, if you calculated the money to JMD is a lot. I don't know who JMD is. Got no clue. Heard of Tom Trades? Nah, I haven't. Who is he? Is he pretty big or? Tom Trades. Who is this guy? Oh, I've seen his videos actually. I've seen him on TikTok occasionally. This is public, Shem. This is me public YouTube. So if you want to share it around, share it on the Instagrams, fucking get more people to join. We're not that cool. I'm not sure, to be honest, Graph. I'm not a big fan. Not too big of a fan on it, to be honest. So what's Dan's strategy? So basically, I'll just give you the simplest form. Just real quickly. Not giving too much free advice, but... So we've obviously got... We obviously have this... that obviously can't be done. We obviously have this level here that's been getting respected as a support level. Just say these candles start making their way down. Just say get a bit of a green one, get a bit of another red one, and then another red one. Just say that's the resistance line. We get this breakout, and then we say if it's not too overextended, like 15-20 pips max, you wait for a retest of that area and then sell it at that wick, and yeah, write it down for always aim for about 20 pips. Got that support, yeah, exactly, Shem. That's why I'm not too sure if I'm interested in it, but we'll wait and see. We'll see if anything happens. Same with NQ. NQ's not doing much. I'm not gonna be mad though if this prints red. At least we get that new support, resistance. yeah, I actually haven't even looked on the 30. Yeah, that's another reason why I'm not interested in a Type 2. Yeah, definitely not. I don't think. Graph. Alright, well, at least we've got a new level now for our resistance. Now we just wait, see if anything comes about. How's all the audio in that, Cody? Is it all pretty good? Sweet. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Sweet, Shem, sweet. So, what are you doing here, Gold, playing funny buggers? I'm still interested more in a sell. Because obviously we got so much clean range. We got 85 pips of clean range, so I'm not mad if this does want to reject and present us with a sell. I want that sell below, yeah. Yep. That will be ideal, lads. Like I said in Discord, yeah, we don't want to be trading any. We've been consolidating heaps all day. Because we obviously did have a big move up in New York yesterday. Like, when was New York Open? Yeah, New York Open was here, and then yeah, just volume. Not even really volume, like, well, there was actually a fair bit, but all these are small volume candles are just slowly trickling its way up. What's the daily look like? Yeah, so the daily, yeah, even on the daily, we're just still in this range of consolidation. Yeah, I big consolidation. Yeah, exactly, Sam. Yeah, I did, Steve. When did I request a payout? I think it was Friday, maybe. Let me just check. Let me check when I requested the payout. Yeah, so I requested the payout Friday. And it said, yeah, 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 business days. And yeah, I got it this morning, so it technically was only really 1 or 2 business days at max. But yeah, no, they were good, Steve. With the way the 4 hours looking now and the fact we create high on the 15, I'm liking buys more and more. Yeah, well, I haven't checked the 4 hour in ages. That is bloody ugly on the 4 hour, eh? Yeah, I know this 4 hour Type 2 sham was fucking textbook. When was it? 8 o'clock. I could have taken that. Yeah, what's that 30 looking like now? Yeah. Yeah, good either way, really. Like, if it does want to break out above, I'll be interested in buys. just my preference is cells, but we'll take what comes. We'll take whatever comes at us. Right, so again, this candle closure here in Q's. I think you could maybe give us a break above, but fuck, who knows? I think Q moves so weird sometimes. Pause. Oh, Diddy. Oh, Diddy. That cunt's a proper. I don't know how that cunt's got let off, and then they fuck. And then another thing I don't understand is, there never was an Epstein list. Like, fuck off. Like, Donald Trump was saying, oh yeah, we're going to be releasing the Epstein list. And then apparently there's just no Epstein list after. And it's a coincidence. Well, I find it a coincidence that it's happened days within Diddy's case. Because I got two tabs open graph. Like, one's Top Step, one's Bullinox. Still, yeah, shit on 15 McLeod dirty. Yeah, not trading. Good shit, not trading that range. Yeah, like you got the support. Like, yes, it is kind of good on the 30. Like, you have broken below here. Like, it could easily drop, but yeah, we don't want to be trading in this range. We want to be waiting for a break below. And yeah, you obviously got this support right there. I've seen those 30-minute plays where it's a time. If they're two different, like if one's Bullinox cells, I don't think I can have two Bullinox tabs open. I'm not sure actually. Oh yeah, I can. So if I wanted to, just say I wanted to take two, yeah I could, but there's no point. Yeah, that's what I thought, Cody. The Big Mac sauce gets powers mod. God, it's been a bloody slow, boring day on the fucking charts today, lads. I really thought we were going to get a trade when we fucking over here this morning when we had this level marked out. This candle broke below, but it was a bit too overextended. That's why we didn't take it. And then yeah, obviously since then we've been stuck in this consolidation. I ate a Big Mac on stream today. That one. No, okay, at least it wasn't a fucking kebab or something, or a burrito like Dan did, and it froze. And the camera froze. I can't believe that. That was funny as. No follow. What the? How? This. I don't know how to. Fuck, I haven't had a Big Mac in ages. Don't get me thinking about Big Macs now, lads. Yeah, I'd really love it if it can break out within this half hour. Nothing will beat Dan and bananas. No message shows other than, yeah, I know, that's what I was thinking before, NJP. The only message that's come up from you, yeah, is what Cody said. But yeah, I mean, if this, I'd like to see this break out below within this 30, because yeah, it would obviously be an hourly closure below, a 30 closure below, and obviously a 15. Can you give me a straight answer for it every time it gets prop? I got no opinions on PropXP and JP. I've never used it. I've only used Topstep and Bullinox. Live chat. Oh, yep. Gotcha, Shem. Didn't even know there was a difference. Thanks for that. Yep. Thanks, Shem. Shem. Yeah, listen to Shem and JP. Just stick to Bullinox and fucking Topstep. But you may as well just stick to Bullinox, honestly, it's cheaper with the discount codes. And hey, if you do what's it called? Use a discount code, use my 91% off. A 50k account will cost you, let me just look, K5. You can't. Oh, I can't use my own affiliate coupon. True. Dog ads. Static, have a snack, a big fat Big Mac, and sit back, relaxing. Catch ticks on Nasdaq with the cats in the chat. W bars Fez. 50k count. Yeah, they're super cheap. They're so cheap. Took a little wick fill in that 30 minute there. Couple of nice static. Nice. Yeah, I could definitely see that playing out. I just didn't want to, because obviously we had this support right there. Big CJ. The live chat's clearly Gold's gonna get me M4 comp. Hey, that'd be nice, wouldn't it? That would be nice. Yeah, no seed, pretty risky. Hey, if you say it, you say it. That's your trade. You don't have to follow what I do or follow what Dan does. You just take the trade on what you think. But we could potentially be getting a breakout on NQ, maybe. We'll keep an eye on NQ. I've got 2 days till my 25k sub. Ooh, shit. How much more do you need, like money wise? Yeah, it honestly makes sense on the 30 static. Like, it is pretty oh, this is NQ. And yeah, it's breaking below. Like, yeah, how many ticks is that if you did take it from that week? You got 20 pips. Like, yeah, I can definitely see why. Just, it's more expensive than my 50k and my 100k. What's up, Michael? What's going on? 1k. Oh, easy, Shem. You can pass this tonight. You got this, lad. Do you have a PDLL set? If you don't have a PDLL, go high risk, high reward. Thanks, CJ. That's it. Started from the bottom, now we're here. It's just hard work and dedication. That's all it pretty much is. Just then you might as well. You gotta. I'm going ham. Nice, Shem. Nice. I'd even like something like this, lads, to give us a little bit more green. I mean, a little bit of green on the way. As if, obviously, this candle wants to close pretty similar to how it is. And then the next one give us a little green. And then obviously we want the next one to be our breakout candle. Get that wick and ride that bitch down. So there's a few things I'm interested in, but we all know what we gotta do. We gotta wait and see. I'm going to have this gold. Oh, we want to get here. Yeah, Shem, that's honestly what I do right now with my what's his name? We're booking to the blue market. I need gold to be pushing for all-time highs. Got quite a lot invested in gold and for the highs. If you got like real money in gold, Paul, I would not be stressing at all. Gold will be so expensive per ounce in the years to come. I think once I pass one chart with how cheap they are, then I'll go real aggressive. What the fuck's his name? $40 in currently, yeah. I would not be stressing at all for a long-term investment. Did you get out of that room? Because you're looking pretty cooked right now if you're still in. Went on to invested heavy on the last work of the week. Yeah, no, nice. Exactly, Bluey, exactly. NQ's a fucking agape. NQ's a proper agape, lads. God, this price action today has been so shit. Just sit down and Big Latin, fucking love it. Might get that agape. Nah, no trade in Asia. Steve, we were interested. Well, we thought we were going to get a trade, but we had this red candle. Oh, I need to change the colour. We had this red candle. No, sorry, what the fuck, wrong one. This red candle breakout, it then became too overextended, with the wick being all the way down here and support down here. That was our one kind of opportunity in Asia, and it didn't play out. NQ. Fuck you doing, gold, bro? If we want to take this NQ as a 30-minute breakout, we're gonna need it to chill and not get any bigger. Ideally, even smaller, to be honest. Something like. Something like that, then that would obviously make the 30 that, and then obviously we all know what we want next, that wick down. But I'm still not sure on NQ. I haven't been super confident with it lately. Come on, gold. Give us something, don't. Fuck. Give us these. Fucking terrible price action. So bad, bro. How'd you go with that Type 1 cell roam? Are you still in with 30 micros? Exactly why. The rejection. Deep sea out is my go-to. Well, I've still got faith in gold. It can, when it pushes, it can push. So still 9 minutes left on this candle. I can see this candle wanting to just go a little bit more to the downside. But this whole area is just fucking just hideous. So hideous. Yeah, that's it. Pez. Into NYC. Yeah, well, NQ is a fucking faggot. But 18 pips and got out. Nice. Has anyone played the new College Football 26? I got it downloaded on my PlayStation last night. I'm gonna play it after this. Pip and dip, right? Pip and dip. That's actually fucking. Because we're scalpers, we're just fucking pipping and dipping, grabbing 20 pips and then dipping. I like that, Cody. Pipping and dipping. That might be my course name. Mitch's Pippin' and Dippin' course. You know what's crazy as well? I get so many. Like, obviously my Instagram. I got my Xbox put away. Oh yeah. Honestly, smart. Like, I barely play PlayStation. Honestly, like yeah, I honestly barely play. I downloaded it. I bought it because it was new. So I love playing new games, and I love. Yeah, PlayStation's my hobby, to be honest, but I don't play as much as I used to. But what was I saying about? Oh yeah, with people messaging me. So yeah, obviously my Instagram's grown kind of, like, it's still only like 80 something followers, but in a month without any like sharing or posting videos, I'm just posting me trade recaps. I've gotten like 80 followers or something. But the amount of people that are messaging me, asking if I've got a course, if I've got a Discord, can you like give me a strategy and whatnot? It's actually crazy. I can't imagine like how many messages like bigger people will get. Like even Dan's relatively smallish compared to other people, but he'd probably still get fuck ton of messages daily about random shit. Trading Pool I follow Trading Pool. He lives fucking close as to me. Like, his penthouse is close as to me. But yeah, I don't know how much his Discord is. I mean, his course is. Do you know how much it is, Skyward? But yeah, he'd be making. I mean, he's a good trader. He makes good money from his trading. But yeah, the course on top will be making a lot of money. First trade on account. Oh, nice one, Graph. It's like 100, 200 a month. True. Fucking hell, and I know he's got a lot of people in there. Yeah, right. I've heard that his strategy doesn't... Oh, that's... clearly works for him, but... yeah, some strategies don't work for me. Like ICT doesn't work for me at all. He uses decent size, to be honest. Like five full contracts is quite a bit. I just checked his Instagram. 5 full contracts is quite a bit. I mean, it's probably not much compared to him, but funded, yeah. Yeah, the whole funded X thing is a little bit fishy. He does love to fucking... He does, yeah, the one thing I don't like about him is he fucking loves talking about how other traders are charging like thousands of dollars and whatnot. Like, yeah, you're charging $100, $200 a month, but if people are staying in that for fucking 2 years, over the fucking 2 years, that's, just say it's $200 a month, that's over $4,000. If people are staying in your thing yeah, him and AJ are good friends. Yeah, it seems like that. Yeah, he'd definitely be getting money under the table from it, that's for sure. I trade 100 full cons and get 5 pips. Imagine if people, like traders, actually did that. They're like, what's it called? Yeah, like they trade fucking 100 full contracts but only aim for like 5 pips. Actually, I know someone who does kind of do that. His name's Mamba FX. He trades like 100 fucking contracts and he gets small pips, but what's it called? He just gets small pips, but because he's using 100 full contracts, his fucking profits are huge. Like the worst prop firm out there, is it really? I've thought about buying it, but it's just too expensive. Like, there's just no point in buying something that's fucking 3, 4, 5 times the expense of a Bullinox account. How many likes we got on YouTube? Let's see. 15. Oof. Come on, lads. There's 25 in here. There's been 25 in here for a bit. If you got an account, just quickly give it a like. It'd do me wonders. It would do me wonders. This has been my best stream so far with the view-wise. Fuck me, God. What are you fucking doing to us, cunt? Inqu's done for the moment. Thing I don't like about Shane Will is that he always talks smack about other trades like how expensive. Yeah, I know. That's what I don't like about him. Literally exactly the same thing. It's the exact reason why. Like, I follow him for like a bit of motivation. Like, it is fucking motivating what he's fucking doing at such a young age, but yeah, he's constantly fucking talking smack about other traders. Just worry about your fucking self. Why you gotta focus all your attention on someone else who lives on the other side of the world? Yeah, Static, he does a bit, doesn't he? Yeah, Kashi, he is good. Yeah, he's a little bit static. He's a little bit. I'm not like the biggest fan on him, but he's making money, so who am I to judge? Dan always got good advice about life and everything else in his streams. Yeah, to be honest, good. Yeah, he is. He is. Are you in the mentorship, Stezzy, or you just follow him and whatnot? Plus, we talk about pyramids and shit. Yeah, we just fucking chat about random shit in Dan when we're talking in Dan's streams. Dan is a real genuinely changed my life, not just. Exactly, Paz, he really has. He's really good. Raja, yeah, I only knew Raja after Dan. Like, I knew Dan before Raja, but I mean, yeah, Raja's clearly got to a point in his life where he owns a prop firm. He owns a fucking nice house in Dubai. Like, yeah, he's set up his family. He's got fucking good what's it called? Fucking finance, obviously. So he deserves to fucking flash out if he wants. Like, yeah, some inspiring stuff, but he's a bit of a hypocrite. Yeah, he's a little bit static. What platform? I use Project X, NJP. Project X for Top Step and Bullinox. Also, that's an alley. What's this alley looking like? Yeah, right. 4 hour. Do you top down hours? Yeah, I always do. Realm X. Yeah, I always, at the start of my day, I'll always check how the daily closed. I'll check how my daily closes, so obviously we're disregarding this red one because this is a new day, but this morning, yeah, I could see, yeah, showed some rejection, but still didn't have a real pulse on it because we're still technically really just consolidating, and we have been for a couple months. And then I go down the 4 hour, we can see the 4 hours even been consolidating. We're kind of stuck in this range of support and resistance. Then I'll go down to the hourly. Yeah, I can see we're moving down, or we're wanting to maybe move down. But yeah, again, we're still in this consolidation range. I'll then go to the 30, get a clearer picture from it. Can start to mark out my levels, so we got resistance there. So yep, I'll put my resistance there, resistance here. So yep, I mean support down here. So support, and then yep, I'll go down to my 15, and then obviously, cause it's a 15, resistance is up there. So yep, make a resistance there, and then yep, notice the support is here. So yep. But then I obviously notice that we're in this consolidation range where I do not want to be taking a trade. I want to be waiting for a break above or break below, ideally a break below, because we got 80 pips of clean range. And yeah, that's how I go about doing my top down. Just like not long ago when he was saying buying some before properties, then like a week after he was. Yeah, I know. I noticed that, boy. Like, I noticed that big time. But he started using lives instead of finance. It comes out like property online. Just 91%. Going for. I'll check. I'll see if I can find out cash. Top down ideal trading with high. Yeah. Who was it that? Railmax, yeah, especially with our strategy, top down is key because we're taking the high time frames into consideration. So yeah, definitely do top down analysis. And not even lying, he was all for promoting prop firms, saying how good they are before he loves feeling his own cock. Yeah, he does a bit, He does a bit. Oh, come on, lads. 18 likes. 2 away. What you can imagine. Yo, I know where he lives. He fucking lives in the penthouse of one of the tallest buildings in Gold Coast. And yeah, it's literally like a 5-minute bike ride. Come on, Gold. What the fuck is with NQ, bro? NQ is just so fucking Beetlejuice like retarded. That's what I'm getting at. Alright, 9 minutes left in this candle. I love a breakout from this candle. Yeah, his apartment is fucking really nice. He's walking around with his PV glasses, talking shit like always. Oh yeah, wait, check, who was it that asked to check for Kakashi? I'll see if I can find out for you, Cash. Yep, Kashi, it runs out in 10 days. It runs out on the 18th. So, not this Friday, the Friday after it runs out. I might actually do that. Type that in. Well, I fucking even noticed, Gold. What are you doing, you fucking queer? Can't you just give us a chance, bro? Right, Gold's a proper homo. Fuck up. Shit. Fuck me, bruv. How much is that? 94. We'll see. We'll see how it closes. The boys from NZ Dan. Yeah, they do. The boys Dan did the body with do look like good blokes. If this doesn't let us, you know. Good one, Kashi, you fucking jinxed it. Who called that? I got it on in 1 minute. Let me post it in the feed. Might be able to give it, if it closes around where it does, like around 20 pips, and it gives a good retest, I'm still interested because we do have such clean range. Yeah, because we do have such clean range, I'm still interested. The boys, I'm boys with one of them from the body change at school with. Oh, true static. That's sick. I took 50 guns. Oh, did you actually make a post, Cody? Graph, I reckon that Rob, Mr. Panda, thinks you're being serious as well. Boy. Oh god, what are you fucking doing, bro? Seriously? Whoa, what was that candle, bro? It's a new alley as well. No top wick on the new alley. People now believe that. Yeah, people full would believe that. Hold up. Alright lads, I want you to go into the Discord and would you take trade if potential, just depends on how it closes wise, potentially, not 100% sure yet. Go into the Discord and then go into the wins section and tell me if you notice anything a little bit strange about the recent fucking Bullinox certificate that's been posted. See if you notice anything fishy in it. And let me know what you think. Nah, the only thing I was thinking that I find fishy with it that is look at the date. Over nearly 3 weeks ago. I mean, if you just passed your account, you'd think you'd send it in a bit close sooner, but who knows? You never know. Never know. Could be his. Could be. What is this looking like? Oh, why'd you have to wick down so far? Fucking making me confused, bruv. You're making me confused. Bruv, I don't know what to do now. I mean, there's still a minute to go, so... Bulk nut. Could be an itch bay. If it closes, fuck, it's just gonna, if it closes around here, I'm interested, but it obviously still depends on the retest, as we all know that, lads. And just remember, I am 20 seconds behind, so you're gonna have to take this with your own knowledge, but we all know what we're looking for. No, I don't think I should, Skyward. $50 a month is not worth it. Alright, just remember lads, wait for the retest. But I love it. Yeah, fuck, I don't know, bro. We'll have to just see how this plays out. No FOMO though, lads. No FOMO. If this does shoot off and we miss it, I'm gonna end the stream and just keep an eye of it off stream. But if it's all time, Skyward, just one time payment. You don't expect more move. Okay. I like how it has created that bottom wick though, so if it does want to wick up, give a good retest, we can enter off that wick. Set and forget. Set and forget. Thank you. Can definitely see NQ dropping. Can definitely see NQ dropping here, but it's given such a nice retest. Come on, give us just a bit of a wick. $19 likes, lads. Come on, there's 28 in here. Get me to the 20 or even 25. Come on, lads, like it up. Like the stream. Come on. Come on, gold. Give us a chance, you dirty. Not sure if I'm interested in this anymore, even if it does give us that wick. But I would like to see. I'd like to see this. I would love to see this, honestly. Close back into that range. Then obviously get that wick down. And then ride it back up to there. But obviously still a long time to go on the timer, so anything can happen. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. There we go, lads. Let's go. 20 likes. Appreciate you all. And if there's some new people in here, give me Instagram a follow. I post my trade recaps on there. There you go, gold. See you later. Like, subscribe, and smash that notification rather. Exactly. Even if you are, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. I'll be trying to stream every day, on most days, at least 2 to 3 times a week. But yeah, I think that's gonna be me done, lads, for the stream. We got a bit unlucky there. I think now we're gonna have to either wait to see if... Let me do another drawing for yous. If this candle wants to close red, we obviously, even if something like this were to happen, closes smallish body. And then the next one were to wick down, engulf. And then, yeah, obviously we know what we want from there, wick down and there, or we can get, so that, or for a 30-minute play, actually, nah, I think that's what I want to see. But yeah, I think that's me done for the night, lads. I appreciate every single one of you coming in. There's 30 people in right now, which yeah, I'm very pleased with. But yeah, if you are new in here and you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe. I will be streaming quite a bit in the coming months, or just in the future. I'll be streaming quite a fair bit, trying to grow my page, everything. So yeah, follow the Instagram, follow the YouTube, and I'll catch you tomorrow.